Welcome to my Auto Snap channel. The 2025 HiPhi Z is making waves with its futuristic design and impressive tech features, capturing attention as a high-performance electric vehicle that blends innovation with luxury. This model is not just an update, it's a complete reimagining of what an EV can be, targeting those who crave sophistication with a strong tech edge. From the outside, the HiPhi Z stands out with its bold, aerodynamic design and sharp, angular lines. It's crafted to not only look futuristic but also to cut through the air with minimal resistance. The front is equipped with an eye-catching LED light strip that extends across the entire width of the car, giving it a high-tech look, especially at night. The side profile continues this sleek aesthetic, with flush door handles and a low-slung stance that emphasizes the car's sporty nature. One of the most striking elements is its unique door setup. The HiPhi Z uses wing doors for the front and rear, giving it an ultra-modern and somewhat theatrical entry system. This design choice isn't just for show, it's also functional, providing easy access to a spacious, luxurious interior. The vehicle's rear also leaves an impression, with its innovative light patterns and distinctive shape. The entire design language of the HiPhi Z signals that it's here to redefine luxury and innovation in the EV space. Step inside, and you're greeted by an interior that feels straight out of a sci-fi movie. HiPhi has gone all in with a tech-forward cabin packed with advanced features. The dashboard is minimalist but loaded with digital displays, providing a seamless experience for both the driver and passengers. A large central touchscreen controls most of the car's functions, from climate control to entertainment. The materials used are high quality, blending leather, alcantara, and ambient lighting to create a luxurious, immersive environment. Seats are designed for maximum comfort, with a level of adjustability that caters to the needs of every passenger. In the HiPhi Z, every detail has been considered, from the stitching on the seats to the feel of the buttons, making sure it delivers a premium experience. Underneath all this sophistication, the HiPhi Z packs a serious punch when it comes to performance. It's powered by a dual motor setup that delivers a robust output, enabling impressive acceleration and handling that rivals even some high-performance sports cars. With its all-wheel drive system, the HiPhi Z offers superior grip and stability, whether you're on a winding mountain road or cruising on the highway. And despite its futuristic look, the HiPhi Z isn't just about aesthetics, it's engineered for speed and agility. The instant torque from its electric motors allows it to accelerate from 0 to 60 mph in under 4 seconds, placing it firmly in the realm of high-performance EVs. Battery life and charging are key considerations for any EV, and HiPhi has not overlooked this in the Z. Equipped with a large battery pack, it offers an impressive range that should satisfy most drivers, especially those using it as a daily driver or for long road trips. HiPhi has also made fast charging capabilities a priority, meaning you can get back on the road quickly after a recharge. The company claims that the Z can reach up to 80% battery capacity in under 30 minutes with a high-speed charger, which is a huge convenience for drivers always on the go. The HiPhi Z is more than just a stylish, fast car, it's also smart. It features an advanced AI system that learns driver habits and preferences over time, creating a more personalized driving experience. The car's AI can control everything from adjusting the seat and temperature based on past preferences to predicting routes based on frequently traveled paths. HiPhi has also integrated Level 3 autonomous driving features, allowing for hands-free driving in certain conditions. This system uses a combination of cameras, radar, and LiDAR to detect obstacles and navigate roads with impressive accuracy, adding to the overall convenience and safety of the vehicle. In terms of connectivity, the HiPhi Z is as cutting-edge as it gets. It supports 5G for lightning-fast data transmission, enabling seamless software updates and real-time navigation assistance. The infotainment system is equally advanced, offering a highly customizable interface that supports voice commands, touch gestures, and even facial recognition for added security. There's also an impressive sound system crafted by a high-end audio brand, ensuring that your favorite music or podcasts sound incredible on the go. HiPhi has clearly positioned the Z as a top-tier electric vehicle, loaded with features that make it a desirable option for tech-savvy, luxury-focused consumers. It's a bold step forward, combining style, performance, and innovation in one remarkable package. The 2025 HiPhi Z isn't just setting a new standard for EVs, it's setting a new benchmark for the future of luxury automotive design and technology. If you're looking for an electric vehicle that's as advanced as it is stylish, the HiPhi Z deserves a serious look.